Hi guys, welcome back to the Codefreak channel. Freak out as you code. So let's continue. So today we'll be learning about borders and various stuff related to borders. So let's go deep right ahead into it. So we have border style, border width, border color, and rounded border. These are the things which we'll be looking at, and I'll be telling you more than this also. So nothing to worry. So let's go here, and then say you want a border for the paragraph maybe, or what do you want the border for? Okay, let's see what is there here. So and then let's find, okay, maybe for this ordered list here. Okay, so let's select the tag. So what you if you I'm going to give you a few seconds to think about what is the tag for ordered list before we go ahead. Yeah, I guess you guessed it right. So it is OL tag, that is order list. So now we want to give a background. So when you come to background, you actually have now we want to talk about the border. So let's try to do first the border width. So you can actually give in a width for the border. So there are three ways of giving in the width. So one is px. Okay, so pixels, that is one way. Then there is a method way called points. So I think it's pts. So pts, no, pt, yeah, pt, points. And then there's another thing called em, which means the current size. Okay, so these are the things which we'll learn, which are there. So you can actually try out all the three and check it out for yourselves. I'll be just using px. So let's continue with px. So let me just save it, and then okay, so we have put it width, but we have not put what kind of border we want. So there is another thing called border style. So let me just use that style thing also. So something like border style. Yeah, perfect. So you can see that various border functions actually come up there. You can learn from them also. So it's no big deal as such. So there are many border styles as such. So you have dashed. So I'll use dashed now full. Okay, let me just refresh and to show you. So you can see that the whole ordered list as such has been bordered dot dashed. Okay, so there is another thing called dotted. Okay, so I'll show you something nice here. Dashed, dotted, and then maybe double, that is one. Then there is one bold, I think. Yeah, bold. Yeah, perfect. So let me save it, and then let's see what happens here. Okay, so oh, nothing is there here. I think bold is not any attribute. So okay, so there is another thing called solid, which we can use, which we have used earlier also. Okay, so now let's check what happens. Yeah, so you can see the top one is kind of dashed, the right one is dotted, this is a double line actually, and then this is a solid line. Okay, perfect. So what happens is this is the top, and then it goes in the clockwise direction, top, right, down, center. So say we remove this one thing here. Okay, let me save it, and let's see what happens now. Can you guess what happened? Yeah, so the thing is, first one was taken as what you call dashed, this was dotted, and this is also dotted. Okay, and then this down thing is a double line. Okay, so now let me just remove this also and check what happens. So these are the things which you should actually try out, but in this video I'm going to try out and like help you understand. So what I'll do here is this will be for the top and bottom, and this will be for the right and left. So if you just do one, that means it's for the whole thing. So yeah, perfect. So you can see the whole thing is dotted. So that's how this whole thing works. Now maybe we can even change the color also. So the color also in the same way. So border color, so you have border color property. So in the same way, maybe red. So if you put one, let's see what happens. So top it has become red, and then in the same way green. Let's see that. So top and bottom will become red, and side will become green. So now let me put a blue here. Yeah, so you can see top right has become blue, down has become right has become green, and down it has become blue, and then this one is again green. So that's how it works. Then you have let's try ivory. Okay, ivory is also another color. So let's see what happens here. Actually it's kind of whitish kind of a tinge, so I'll just change this to maybe black. So black color is all zeros. Yeah, so then you can actually see the ivory color. So that is it. Ivory is a type of white, a little different type of white. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So let's just get back whatever color was there previously and save it. Okay, so that's how it is. So actually even you, let's go and see what all are left here. So border width, okay, rounded borders. So if you want rounded borders, what you can do is you can actually give one more function called border radius. So border, oh shit, border radius. Yeah, so you have radius. So yeah, so maybe 5 pixels. Yeah, we'll try that out. Okay, let's see what happens. So you can see that it's rounded a little bit. Maybe we'll put in something like 25 pixels, and then we will refresh it. All right, so you can see it's kind of nicely rounded. Okay. So those are some things which you can actually see, and so those are some things that which you can actually see and work around with. So there is one shorthand which we have actually seen previously, so I'll show you that. Okay, not for the radius but for these three. Okay, so let me just comment it out and then put the shorthand here. So border, so just you type border. First you have to give in the width, so say put 2px so that you see the difference that it's actually working. Then maybe dashed, and then one color. So we will go for maybe some good color here. So I'll go for tomato. Okay, and then you can just save it. So this is the order which you have to follow: width, style, color. All right, now let's see what happens here. So you can see it's a thicker border and you have some kind of a border here. So yeah, that's how it works. You can even make it thicker also if you want. So maybe 10px. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so that's how it looks. So actually it doesn't look good, it's not pleasing to the eyes, but this is for learning as to what looks good. I mean, it's not about what looks good, it's about learning how to use all these things. So you can use all this and make something very beautiful and very nice as such. Okay, fine, I'll just block this idiotic comment. Yeah, I'll just do that. Perfect. Okay, so that's it guys for border. So I'll see you in the next video for the other things. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment and like the video. Bye bye.